Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to review CheapOair, and I'll leave a link down below in the description. You can go check it and create an account. If you are planning your next trip, you have probably come across CheapOair, but is it really the best option for your booking flights, hotels, and car rentals? Let's break it down in this quick review. What is CheapOair? CheapOair is an online travel agency that promises to offer affordable options for flights, hotels, and car rentals. It partners with major airlines and hotels, claiming to deliver discounted rates and great deals. But does it live up to the hype? Pros. First, let's talk about the pros. The platform is easy to use with an intuitive interface that lets you compare prices across flights, hotels, and rental cars. They often feature limited time deals, meaning you could snag a great discount if you are flexible with your travel dates. Plus, CheapOair has a rewards program where you earn points for each booking, which can be used for discounts on future trips. Cons. Now let's dive into the downsides. One of the biggest complaints is their customer service. Many users have reported issues with contacting support, and there have been cases of problems with cancellations or refunds being slow to process. Additionally, some flights listed on CheapOair may have additional fees, which can make the total price higher than expected. It's important to read the fine print when booking. Pricing and hidden fees. CheapOair claims to offer competitive prices, but sometimes the deals are not as cheap as they seem once you add taxes and fees. It's essential to double check the final cost before confirming your booking, especially with those added service fees that can sneak up on you. Alternatives to consider. Before you hit book, it's worth comparing prices with other travel websites like Expedia, Kayak, or Skyscanner. Sometimes you will find better deals with fewer hidden costs, especially if you book directly through the airline or hotel website. Conclusion. So is it CheapOair worth it? It's a mixed bag. While it offers a wide range of options and potential savings, be cautious about hidden fees and less than ideal customer service experiences. If you are willing to do your research and check fine print, it can work for you. If not, consider exploring other alternatives. And that's pretty much it for today's review. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.